Travis here with 847 Concepts. I'm just shooting a little video of the Grom. I just got done doing a 13-tooth counter sprocket swap on it. So I just took it down the road. It's still wet out. But yeah, I wanted to show you the TST rear fender eliminator with the integrated taillight. I need to cover up my plate here. Hopefully the video comes out okay. I got the helmet cam on, so hopefully you're looking at what I'm looking at. But as you can see here, their tail light, if you look underneath, it eliminates that area where the factory tip sensor was, and it blends right in with the factory under tray. And it works with Taiga exhaust and probably most of your aftermarket high mounts. I'll go ahead and turn on everything. There's your tail light. Give you some turn signals. Turn signals are TST side mounts. The brightest lights you can get on the market, as I know of. Alright. And there's your tail light slash turn signal for your right. And so for the left. And TST's tag light, which works with flat license plate frames and their axle sliders. Other than that, here's my Supermoto Grom. Hope you all enjoyed. Have a good night.